Deep beneath the sun-baked surface of our planet lies a hidden reservoir of energy.
One of the
For
largest
millions of
land-based
years,
drilling rigs in the world.
this black treasure has remained locked inside layers of solid rock. Today, we begin a journey into the deep earth to witness how modern engineering awakens oil trapped inside shale formations. For centuries, this resource was believed to be unreachable, imprisoned inside stone, too dense for traditional drilling. But human innovation changed everything. A new generation of drilling technology now allows engineers to unlock energy buried kilometers beneath the surface. Massive steel rigs rise above the landscape, towering machines designed to penetrate the toughest layers of the earth. Thousands of horsepower are now focused on a single mission, reaching the shale layer far below our feet. 2 to 4 kilometers underground lies a hostile environment of intense pressure and extreme heat. Yet inside this rock formation is an enormous reserve of hydrocarbons capable of powering entire nations. To reach it, engineers deploy one of the most advanced industrial systems ever created. The drilling rig becomes the command center of a complex engineering operation. Automated machinery lifts heavy sections of steel pipe with precision and control. Inside the control cabin, engineers monitor every vibration, every pressure change, and every movement of the drill. Sensors deep underground continuously send data back to the surface. This digital feedback allows the crew to guide the drill with remarkable accuracy. At the front of the drill string is the cutting tool itself, a diamond-tipped drill bit designed to grind through the hardest rock formations
on the horizontal
Earth.
section looks stable
Special
at 90
drilling
degrees.
fluid, known as drilling mud,
Pressure looks good.
flows constantly
we are within
through
the
the
target
well.
window.
It cools the drill bit and carries crushed rock fragments back to the surface. As the hole deepens, heavy steel casing is lowered into the well.
Across
Each
this
section
vast
is cemented
landscape, the
firmly in
latest in
place
drilling
to protect
technology
the
is
well from
deployed,
collapse.
showcasing the scale
Now
of
the
modern
descent begins.
energy extraction.
The drill cuts steadily downward through layers of soil, clay, and ancient limestone. 1 kilometer deep, the reinforced well bore must withstand enormous geological pressure.
Producing
Rock
high-velocity
fragments
molten
returning
metal
to the
jets
surface
that
reveal
precisely
clues
perforate
about the
casing
layers
and the
below.
surrounding strata.
Geologists analyze each sample to confirm the drill remains on its precise path. 2 kilometers underground, the temperature begins to rise dramatically. Steel components heat up as they approach the deeper formations. At last, the drill nears the target, the shale layer. But drilling vertically is only the first step. To extract shale oil efficiently, the well must now change direction.
Hydraulic fluid is pumped
Directional
deep
drilling
underground,
technology
creating
allows engineers to
microfractures
guide
in
the drill
shale formation.
sideways through the rock. Steerable motors
As the fluid
gently
spreads
push the drill
outward,
bit
the
into
pressure
a curved
gradually
path.
builds,
Slowly,
opening
the well
microscopic
transitions from
fractures in the
vertical
rock.
to horizontal.
We're witnessing the
Now the
very
drill
moment
travels
rock
laterally
yields.
through the shale
These
formation.
microfractures are the key
This
to
horizontal
unlocking
section
the
can
shale
stretch
gas
for several
trapped within the
kilometers.
formation.
The goal
Hydraulic
is to
fracturing
expose as
creates a
much
complex
oil-bearing
network
rock
of
as
fissures,
possible.
spreading like
Sensors
lightning
using
deep
gamma
within the
ray
shale
and
formation
ultrasonic
to release
measurements
trapped
help guide
hydrocarbons.
the drill.
These ceramic
Even
proppant
buried
grains
under
are essential,
kilometers of rock,
keeping the shale
the crew
fractures
knows the drill's
open for the
location
release
within
of oil
inches.
and gas.
Maintaining this precise path requires powerful computing and constant monitoring. Finally, the horizontal well reaches its planned length. A long steel conduit now runs directly through the heart of the shale. But the oil is still trapped inside microscopic pores within the rock. To release it, engineers must perform the most dramatic step of the entire operation. Hydraulic fracturing. A fleet of powerful pump trucks arrives at the drilling site. High-pressure hoses connect every unit into a massive pumping network. Each connection is carefully inspected before the operation begins. When the engines ignite, thousands of horsepower surge into action. A specialized fluid mixture is pumped deep into the well at extreme pressure. The mixture is mostly water and sand, with small chemical additives to reduce friction. The sand plays a critical role. These tiny grains will hold open fractures inside the rock. First, small perforation charges create openings through the steel
The
casing.
intricate web of pipelines
These holes allow the
transports
pressurized
the raw
fluid to
shale
reach the
oil
shale
from the
formation.
wellhead to these
Now the
massive
pumping
storage
begins.
tanks.
Pressure rapidly builds inside the well. At more than 10,000 pounds per square inch, the shale can no longer resist. Cracks begin to form deep
Spanning
within the
thousands
rock.
of miles,
The fractures
this vital
spread outward
artery
in
of steel
every direction.
ensures the
As
uninterrupted
they
flow
grow,
of energy.
sand particles fill the expanding gaps. When the pressure is released, the sand keeps the fractures permanently open. A vast network of microscopic
The pulse
channels
of
now
industry
surrounds
never
the well.
stops.
For the
From day
first
to
time
night,
in millions
the
of
search
years,
for energy drives these colossal machines deep into the earth.
oil begins to move. The trapped hydrocarbons slowly flow through the fractures toward the wellbore. Pumps shut down, and the well begins its flowback stage.
stable, but check
Fluid returns to the surface,
Tablet readings
carrying
match.
oil and gas
Automated
with it.
valve response time
The
keeps
shale
within
well
tolerance.
has come alive.
Crude oil
A
travels
production
through
system known
miles
as
of
the Christmas
high-strength
tree is
steel,
installed on
a
top of the
vital
well.
resource powering
This complex
the modern
valve
world.
assembly controls the flow of oil to the surface. The first steady stream of shale oil begins to rise from deep underground. It flows into separators
Across
that
this
remove
vast
gas and
expanse,
water.
the rhythmic nodding
What
of the pump
remains
jack
is
signifies
high-quality
the steady
crude
flow
oil
of crude
ready
oil,
for storage.
essential for modern
Massive
life.
tanks hold this valuable
This vast
resource
shale
before
basin
it is
home to an
transported to
intricate
refineries.
network of energy
From
infrastructure,
here, it will become
crucial for
fuel,
meeting the nation's
plastics,
needs.
chemicals,
As the
and countless
visualization
modern
clearly
products.
demonstrates, these new
Around the
techniques
clock,
have dramatically
the facility
increased the
continues
yield from
producing energy.
previously inaccessible
A
shale
silent
resources.
engine powering
Permian
modern
and
civilization.
Bakken basins represent
Over the past
cornerstone
decade,
of domestic
shale
energy
technology
production,
has transformed the
utilizing
global
advanced
energy
drilling
landscape.
techniques.
New reserves once thought impossible to reach are now producing vast amounts of oil. Entire regions have been revitalized by this technological revolution. The shale
At
boom
sunrise,
has
the
reshaped
scale of
global
operation
energy
becomes
markets.
clear.
And even
This
as the
facility
world moves
processes
toward
millions
new
of
energy
barrels every
systems,
day.
this innovation remains a milestone
Copy
of
that.
engineering
Descending
achievement.
now.
Deep beneath the earth, ancient rock has finally revealed its hidden treasure. A reminder that
scale of
human
modern
curiosity
energy
and
extraction
technology
is
can
immense.
unlock even
This
the
rig
most
operates
stubborn
24
secrets of our
hours a day,
planet.